The beginning of medical innovation, MediUFES 400 endoscopy system. Every year, the number of digestive disease patients is increasing, and so are endoscopic examinations. However, the existing endoscopy system uses an old-fashioned mechanical operation method, lacks intuitiveness, is heavy, and causes finger strain. Addressing these issues, we're excited to present our innovative solution, the MediUFES 400 endoscopy system. MediUFES 400 endoscopy system innovatively replaces the uncomfortable mechanical operation of traditional endoscopes with motorized control. Medical professionals can choose joystick or wheel control interface depending on their preference. Lightweight and user-friendly, our design ensures a unique, comfortable experience for doctors. This improves work efficiency and enables quicker, more accurate diagnoses. Our motorized endoscope will bring innovations to the medical field by incorporating assistive technologies such as autonomous control, automatic air-water suction functions, and blind spot prevention technology. Moreover, it has the potential to reduce the global occurrence of digestive diseases. With MediUFES 400 endoscopy system, we are opening up a better future for healthcare. More intuitive with intelligence. MediIntech.